Ito naman, introduction meditation.
You guys sit down on the ground in this lotus position, your legs crossed, and you gotta be totally silent.
10 minutes positive energy.
During this guided meditation, you will experience a constant flow of positive energy while raising your vibration.
So under reset po to, ha? Grounding, relaxing, recharge. Ang ganda ng tubig.
To begin by settling into a comfortable position and turning off all.
Ito naman, unwind your body and mind.
Unwind with the flow of the mind. Let's take a few minutes to relax your body.
Relax anxiety, stress.
So find a comfortable position.
May mga, narration. So, almost same view, pero
Sit
may,
with your back
this
upright,
time, minimum.
comfortable,
Alright, punta naman tayo sa Explore.
arms resting.
Explore Wonders of New Zealand. May nakausap lang ako nung papunta ako na Las Vegas to San Francisco. Tiga New Zealand. He earned about 5 million New Zealand in crypto trading. Flying over Norway. Yan, Norway naman to. Ayan, papuntang Norway. Yan na makikita mo sa aeroplano. Ganda naman. Ang ganda. I like to go to Norway. And then, spring in Japan. Sana may Philippines dito. Ito, Japan to. Ito naman, Spanish Island. Ang ganda. Spanish Island. Ganda ng beauty ng mundo. Next is Mount Rainier. Mount Rainier, ganda. Next is flying over Scotland. Papuntang Scotland naman to. Ayan ang mga view. Next is flying over Bermuda. Next is flying over Kauai. Ito, Hawaii. Next is California Waterfalls. Ang ganda ng waterfall sa California. Next is Iguazu Falls. Wow, magnificent falls. Oh, ganda ng kulay niya, no? Parang merong gold rush. So, parang ka nanood ng sine. 15 minutes to. Meron pang electric fan kung medyo mainit. Ayan, may fan, no? May pabango pa. Grabe. Flying over Iceland. Yan, maganda yung Iceland. Puro ice yan. Next is flying over Indonesia. Ayan, ganda ng forest sa Indonesia. Next is Western Australia. 76 yung heart ko. Lumabas. Yan po ang Western. And then Europe cities. Ayan na. Ang ganda ng mga, ano yan, mga parang ano no? Yung yan yung mga parang deer. Next is Caribbean Lagoon. Narinig mo yung simoy ng hangin? Yung pinapaypayan ka? Next, Lake Luz. Maro Lake. Wow, ang ganda. Next is Patagonian Mountain Vista. Oh, ganda. Ganda. Next is Yosemite Falls. Oh, ganda. Magnificent Falls. Next is above Fuji. Next is about Dolomites. Yan, Dolomites yan. Nasa dulo na si Kuya. Next is about Rockies, Rocky Mountain. Next is Big Sur from above. Yan. Next is flying over Oahu. Oahu. Yan. Next is soaring over Maui. Maui, Hawaii. Next is Italy landscape. Last na yan. Opo, tapos na, no? Exposure tayo. Punta naman tayo sa next focus. Tingnan natin yung focus naman. A guide to self.
Welcome to a loving kindness meditation on the Code of the Monk. Today we're going to incorporate practice.
Guided happiness.
Welcome to a guided meditation for happiness.
Clear your mind. Simple mindful exercise.
Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sarah Raymond.
Galing. And then, punta naman tayo sa breath. Nasa breath naman tayo ngayon. 4-7-8 bit.
The Mindful Movement. I'm
4-7-8
Sarah Raymond.
bit.
Thank you for joining me for this 4-7-8 relaxing breath.
4-7-8.
This structured breath
Ang galing. Wow, that's it. That's about total of 10 minutes. Na-explore ko kalahati nito. Very good.